Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is Mask Monday, and for today's mask, I'm going to be using not your typical sheet mask. I'm going to be using the Grown Alchemist, what does it say? Biological Beauty Age Repair Gel Mask. Let's see. And this stays on. It comes out pretty thick like that. It has a very medicinal smell to it. Almost, dare I say, eucalyptus. That's for you, Ash. I watched her video. Bless her heart. She had a hard time with that word. But I didn't want anything cold on my face, and this fits that bill. It's not cold. It's not, maybe I would refer to it as cooling, but not in a sense of a take your breath away as soon as it's applied type of cooling. So I am going to let that sit on my face for, I think it's 10 to 15 minutes. I've used this before and I do thoroughly enjoy it. I can't read it. Came in a subscription box. I know this is a quite pricey brand, but I do feel that it does do something. I really do. But while that's on my face, I figured we could chit-chat for little things. Kind of wanted to chit-chat a little bit about skincare, as a matter of fact. This being one of my favorite masks, and when I first got this, I have a couple more of this brand's skincare, so I was a little skeptical because it's not my favorite brand. But when I ran out of sheet masks several months ago, and I was on a no-buy, Kim from Kim's Happy Place, she sent me a bunch of masks, but so I'm able to use sheet masks. But in the interim before all of that, I didn't have any, so I said, well, you know, I still want to participate in Mask Mondays. I still want to do self-care, so I used this, and I really, really liked it. The fragrance is not too strong. It's dissipated by now, and this is real time. I'm at 3 minutes and 26 seconds, so I liked it. Felt hydrated. It was cooling, but not a cold sensation. And I really felt my skin moisturized for a very long time after that. Another product that I have been using, you guys have seen me use this or spray this, but this is let me see if I can find it. Clean Skin Club, that's the name of it, and it is the Pineapple Glow Mist. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. Now, a lot of times I'll spray this on my face in the mornings or before I prime. I will wet my eyeshadows with it. It's got a nice, let's see if you can see it, mister on it. Maybe you can see it. You know, and it's not the strongest pineapple scent, but it just, I could do that for hours. It's such a light mist. It gives me a extra boost of hydration, and it does great when wetting your eyeshadows. I mean, it's a glass bottle. There's so much in here. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, and I'm just barely at the halfway mark, and I use this quite a bit. So I do really enjoy that. So I kind of wanted to touch on that a little bit. I know you guys have probably seen me take it from here and spray my eyeshadow brushes and whatnot. But those are kind of just some of the skincare things that, you know, I do repetitively. I am going to put a little bit of lip balm on. This is, it's not necessarily lip balm as it is lip gloss, but it feels very balmy on my lips. Does it say? It just says it's from Lancome Juicy Tubes Original. I don't have my glasses, so I can't read all that small writing, but I mean, you can look. It's goopy, so a lot of times I save that for nighttime. And I have been rediscovering my enjoyment of my Pure Lease products. I have the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. I use this quite a bit. And then the Blue Lotus Brightening Serum brightens and evens skin tone, reduces dark spots, and I do have some age spots. Well, I can't see them as bad now, but there's one up here and one down here, and I've been using this, so, and I don't see it, barely, right there in the fold. But typically when I wash this off, I will apply these, and then I'll go to bed. And it's been 8 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off simply because I'm going to do some more skincare. So I will be right back. Okay, I've washed off the Grown Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask. Now I am going to use a little bit of this Pineapple Glow Mist and spray it on my face. And I'm going to put some of this Prevention from Pure Lease, and I just kind of like to come all up here, and I do go over my eyes. This has never bothered my eyes. Obviously I'm keeping them closed, and a lot of times I really like to massage this in my face, but I'm tired and running out of time. And I kind of alternate between my eye creams. I alternate between the DNA from Dr. Brandt, Do Not Age, and this one, which is the Pure Lease Eye Brightener. Or, excuse me, Prevent. This is the Eye Adore Serum. What did I say? This, well, they both say Prevent. That one said Brightening. Anyway, this comes out as like a gel consistency, and this is very cooling. This eye cream, I really, really like this eye cream. Cannot say enough about it. It's a whole lot cheaper than Dr. Brandt, but Dr. Brandt came in a subscription box. I think this did too, as a matter of fact. But at any rate, I enjoy it. And for lips, took off my Juicy Tubes, and I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu, which is my staple. You can see my eyes are shiny. Alright guys, that is it for Mask Monday. Technically, we're Saturday night. Just a lot of things going on. So, we went in with this Grown Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask. And while that was on, I used Lancome Juicy Tubes lip treatment. And then once I wiped that off, I used a little bit of my, what I said this was called, Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. Give me some hydration. I followed that up with Pure Lease Blue Lotus Brightening Serum, as well as the Prevent, the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum, and my Mario Badescu Rose Lip Balm on my lips. So, 5 things today for this Mask Monday for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing. Give this video a like or a dislike. Turn the bell on so you don't miss any of my notifications, because I upload quite a bit. In parting, be beautiful, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.